541 Helper, Bedford. This one, as you can see, we've taken off, we're putting some new siding on it. It was hell had damaged it, so we got new siding, which is right there. You can see we're careful getting all the trash out. You can see all that's fixed. You can see the back here. Let's go inside. They started on the inside. You can see they got the first coat on of paint. That's all getting done. Here, still wet. I mean, he just left. He prep this so we can get this all sprayed. And again, he sprayed all this first coat. Here. So they're moving along with this one. It's really coming along good. So here, this is all done here. We're putting luxury vinyl on the floor, so all good there. You got kind of want the lights kind of up. And here's all the flooring and everything's here to get the flooring in after they get done painting. We got all the cabinets sprayed. Wow, they look good inside and out. This is done. Here's all this. This is all sprayed. A lot of painting was done, so that's good. And I'll show you the basement. It's still good. I don't think there was much done down here because they were doing everything up there. But, oh yeah, here's the bathroom. So the new bathroom's in. This is where the new bathroom's going. All the plumbing's in. It's going all the way over. It's going to be really nice. So here's your electrical box. All good. So everything's getting done. I just want to give you this quick update video. Call me if you have any questions. 216-703-5740. I'm Brett with Key Realty. Check out the websites below. Thanks.